In the remote landscape of Tehachapi, California, the Sawmill House emerges as an architectural response to the extreme climate and harsh history of its site. The residence emphasizes not grandeur, but contextual appropriateness, positioning itself as a structure that adapts to its natural surroundings. Through an honest and functional approach, the house establishes a balanced relationship between people, technology, and the environment. The building's composition is organized into 3 wings surrounding a central living room, with a large fireplace as the primary focal point. This layout creates an intuitive circulation flow while creating a warm hub of activity. Large sliding glass walls open the interior completely to the terrace, allowing the living space to expand outdoors and blend with the open landscape. The architectural character is enhanced by the use of exposed concrete, structural steel, and recycled materials, creating a bold industrial expression. These material choices not only establish a visual identity, but also provide resilience to heat, wind, and extreme temperature fluctuations. Every element is designed with long-term performance in mind. As an off-grid residence, the Sawmill House relies entirely on solar energy, electrical storage systems, and passive strategies to maintain thermal comfort. The geothermal heating system, radiant flooring, and natural ventilation work in harmony, creating a stable indoor climate year-round with minimal energy consumption. This approach makes the house both self-sufficient and sustainable. The Sawmill House ultimately represents architecture rooted in environmental awareness and clarity of function. In its simplicity, the house offers a tranquil spatial quality, framing a living experience closer to nature, while demonstrating how design can be a vehicle for more thoughtful and responsible living.